Hey, having trouble with your desktop icons looking like a white blob on your Windows 11 PC? No sweat. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's dive in without any delays. Method 1. Manually set the shortcut icon. To do this, right-click on the shortcut that has been turned white and select Properties from the context menu. Next, click the Change Icon button and this window will pop up. Now from this window, select the proper icon. After that, click on Apply and then on OK to save the change. Now check if that did the trick for you. Method 2. Delete icon caches from your computer. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in Run. Then click on Run from the search result and this window will pop up in the lower left corner of your screen. Now in this field, type in %local app data % and hit Enter. And the File Explorer should open up. Next, click on View from the top bar and hover over Show and select Hidden Item. After that, scroll all the way to the end, find the icon cache file and delete it. Now close the File Explorer. Now right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Now in the search bar, type in Windows Explorer. Then right-click on Windows Explorer Process and select Restart. Now close the Task Manager and you should see that the issue is fixed. So that's how you solve the problem of desktop icons not showing correctly or just showing up as a white blob on Windows 11 computers. If the video helped you sort out the issue, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll reply real soon. As always, thanks a million for watching.